In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a watermark on a video in Canva using crop or a blur element. Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to hide a watermark on a video in Canva using crop or a blur element. This is perfect when you're working with your own footage or templates and want a cleaner, distraction-free result. As a quick note, always make sure you're allowed to edit the content you're working on. First, open Canva in your browser or app. Once you're in, open your video design so you can see the clip on your canvas. Click to select the video clip that has the watermark. You'll see the editing options appear across the top. If the watermark sits near the edge, cropping is the fastest option. Click Crop in the top menu. You'll get handles around the video frame. Gently drag the edges inward to trim out the watermark, keeping an eye on your composition so you don't accidentally cut out important content. When it looks right, click Done. This method works best for watermarks on the perimeter and helps you keep the original clarity of the video. If the watermark is somewhere you can't crop without losing key visuals, use a blur element to disguise it. Click Elements in the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Blur or Blur Shape. You'll see soft, feathered shapes and overlays. Drag a blur element onto your canvas and position it over the watermark. Resize it by pulling the corners, and place it so it cleanly covers the mark without drawing too much attention. Choose a shape that matches the area you're covering, round for circular spots, rectangular for edges, so it blends more naturally with the scene. After you've either cropped or added a blur, take a moment to adjust your video layout. Recenter your subject, nudge the clip to balance the frame, and make sure any text or graphics still sit comfortably within the safe area. A quick preview helps you confirm everything looks seamless. When you're happy with the result, it's time to export. Click Share, then choose Download. From the file type options, select MP4, which is the standard video format for smooth playback across devices. Finally, click Download and let Canva process your video. And that's how you hide a watermark on your video in Canva using crop or a blur element. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.